Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting updates from Samsung. Big changes are coming to their smartphone lineup in 2025, starting with the ever-popular Galaxy A series. You might be wondering, why the shift? Well, here's the deal. Samsung phones, regardless of the price range, all tend to look pretty much the same. For those who spend a premium on flagship devices, this sameness is a major letdown. Imagine shelling out big bucks on a high-end phone, only to see an entry-level model with a nearly identical design. But here's the good news. Samsung has heard your feedback, and they're making some big changes. The Galaxy A56's fresh look. The first render of the Galaxy A56 recently made its way online, and wow, it's a breath of fresh air. Samsung is introducing a sleek, revamped back design and adding some extra features. But here's where things get interesting. These updates might stir up some controversy among flagship phone users. Let me break it down for you. Just a few days ago, the Galaxy A56 appeared in the China certification database, and it revealed something surprising. This mid-range phone might support blazing fast 45-watt charging. To put that in perspective, the previous model, the Galaxy A55, was limited to 25-watt charging. Here's the twist. The Galaxy S24 base model, a flagship, also charges at just 25 watts. So, if the rumors are true, the Galaxy A56 could actually charge faster than some flagship devices. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 will pack Samsung's Exynos 1580 chip. Now, I know many of you might miss the days when Samsung equipped their A-series phones with Snapdragon chips. Snapdragon processors are undoubtedly amazing, but let's not dismiss the Exynos 1580 too quickly. This new chip comes with an upgraded Xclipse 540 GPU for improved graphics performance, and the enhanced NPU will boost Samsung's smart AI features. So, while it's not Snapdragon, it still offers plenty of potential. Now, let's talk cameras. The Galaxy A56 is said to feature a 50-megapixel main camera for crisp and vibrant photos, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens for those scenic shots, a 5-megapixel macro camera for close-up details, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera that'll make your social media photos pop. Here's another cool change. The Galaxy A56 ditches the separate camera cutouts found on the A55. Instead, all the cameras are now housed within a single sleek module. This design update not only makes the A56 look more premium but also signals a broader redesign for Samsung's mid-range lineup. The Galaxy A26 and A36 are also expected to adopt similar design language. It's clear Samsung is working to give its mid-range phones a distinct identity, and honestly, it's about time. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. Samsung is making some bold moves with the Galaxy A series, from introducing faster charging and revamped designs to adding exciting new features. What do you think about the Galaxy A56? Are you excited about these changes, or do you prefer the old Samsung style? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, this series has always managed to stand out, with each model offering something fresh and innovative. Now, Samsung is preparing the next version, and it has recently shown up in online benchmark tests. Let's take a closer look at what this upcoming Galaxy A56 has to offer. For several years now, the Galaxy A5X series has been one of the standout mid-range phone lines in Samsung's catalog. Every new model in the series has introduced features that make it unique and keep users excited. Right now, Samsung is busy working on the next model, and it recently appeared in online benchmarks, giving us a hint of what's coming soon. Just today, the Galaxy A56 was seen undergoing multiple benchmark tests, and we've got the results. 4 different test scores were uploaded, and the Galaxy A56 performed impressively. It scored 1,353 in single-core tests and 3,847 in multi-core tests. This new addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup is set to feature a brand new chip, the Exynos 1580. Interestingly, this chip had already appeared on Geekbench earlier this summer, but with lower scores back then. At that time, it managed 1,046 in single-core tests and 3,678 in multi-core tests. Today's updated results show a clear improvement, especially in single-core performance. These recent test scores confirm that the Galaxy A56, Model number SMA566B, is powered by the Exynos 1580 chip, and it's giving us a noticeable performance boost. While Geekbench doesn't reveal a lot of details, it does confirm that this model was tested running Android 15. Right now, Samsung's latest phones are using Android 14 with One UI 6.1.1. They're expected to receive Android 15 and One UI 7.0 later this year. But the Galaxy A56, likely set for release next year, should ship with Android 15 straight out of the box. It seems like Samsung is getting ahead of the curve, already testing the device with the latest Android version. According to Geekbench, the version of the Galaxy A56 tested comes with 8 GB of RAM. As for the Exynos 1580 chip, it features 3 CPU core clusters. One cluster has 4 cores running at 1.95 GHz, another has 3 cores at 2.60 GHz, and the third is a high-performance core clocked at 2.91 GHz. This chip is also expected to include a new GPU, which could significantly enhance gaming performance. That's everything we've got so far on the Galaxy A56. It's shaping up to be another strong contender in Samsung's mid-range lineup. What do you think about these benchmark results and the new Exynos 1580 chip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Drop Tech.